The Bureau of Customs continues to take steps to curb smuggling of illegal contraband in the country by installing modern portal X-ray machines that can detect suspicious and misdeclared shipments. More of this report from PTV's Mark Fetalco.
The campaign of the government against smuggling has just stepped up. The Bureau of Customs has 2 new modern portal X-ray machines recently installed in the port of Manila. This is important in enhancing their capability in detecting misdeclared items, undervalued goods, and even illegal drugs.
A welcome contribution to the scanning capability, the enforcement and intelligence capability of the Bureau of Customs insofar as being able to detect suspicious cargoes, and would help us in curbing the smuggling of illegal contraband into the Philippines.
From 30 containers, the newly acquired machines can now scan at least 120 containers an hour. Before, examination and import entries lasted 2 to 3 days, as BOC personnel still needed to physically open the containers to check on suspicious materials. But with the non-intrusive inspection capabilities of the new X-ray machines, the processing time has now been shortened to only 15 minutes. It can also easily distinguish organic and inorganic materials, which could help the BOC in their decision-making process. More importantly, they assure it is also safe from any form of corruption.
Wala nang lulusot na kargamento, kahit anong klaseng kargamento, wala nang corruption magagawa kasi hindi mo naman pwedeng palitan yung image eh. You cannot do some Photoshop. Wala eh. Kasi kung ano yung lalabas sa computer, yun na yung result.
Due to a more rapid scanning capability of X-ray machines, the BOC plans to also build additional workstations.
So ang kinakailangan natin dito, makahabol yung mga analyst natin sa pag-analyze ng mga scanned cargoes. So yun ang pinag-uusapan namin kanina. With 2 workstations para sa analysts, we need more workstations.
The X-ray machines also have lower radiation dosage to ensure worker safety and others in the event of exposure to radiation. Some units will also be installed at the Manila International Container Port, the ports of Davao and Cebu. This is in line with the 10-point priority program of the agency to further strengthen the country's border security. Mark Fetalco for The Nation.